Well, the Rock Island Bridge is a really massive public effort. It involves so many sectors to get this done: public, private, philanthropic, and a lot of really great Kansas City companies.
Sure.
Like Solar Shield. Transforming an old railroad bridge is a heavy lift, and we really relied on local companies that wanted to help get this thing across the finish line and do a good job at a really good price. And I got to say, Solar Shield was really at the top of our list of our subs.
Yeah, that's great.
They showed up. They came out. They looked like a parachute team, skydivers. They had the kind of a company uniform on.
Yeah.
They were tidy, and I think it just set the tone for the professionalism that we saw. They installed all of the blinds on both levels of this bridge in about 5 days.
Yeah.
They're taut. They don't leak air.
I remember when we came out the very first time to start looking, a couple of the heaters over here had literally been just destroyed by the wind. So obviously you called us about the wind, but explain kind of what your experience was from before the shades to now.
Yeah, well, the Rock Island Bridge is, especially this top deck, American Royal, is about 60 feet above the river.
Yeah.
And the river is a wide open pathway for air. So it's a wind tunnel.
Yes.
And we routinely get 20, 30, 40 mile an hour winds through here.
Yep.
And having these screens that with the touch of a button go up and down and protect our customers and keep them comfortable is invaluable to the business that we have out here.
Yeah, absolutely. That's great. So a very notable difference and change from before the shades to when you hit them down. And actually,
massive.
If we were to open
difference.
that shade right now, you would feel the wind just start shooting right through here because it's not even a windy day, but there's always just pressing air.
It's interesting. What we learned is really sometimes just blocking one side is enough because it stops no place for the wind to come through. We picked Solar Shield because they were local and they were very price competitive, and we talked to a few of their customers who had good service and felt comfortable, and so we took a shot at it, and it worked out really well. From start to finish, it's been a very positive experience working with Solar Shield. I pick up the phone, Tim answers, sends a person out. He worked with me personally on understanding the installation needs, the dimensions. They were out a short time afterward, and in about a week, they knocked out the whole project.